Hi, boys and girls. We're going to continue with our word and. A-N-D, and. That word that connects our thoughts together. So what I want you to do is you need to color in your letters, those bubble letters at the top. I like to see you using different colors to color them in. So take your time. It only takes 3 seconds to change a color in your hand. Doesn't take long. So just change the color in your hand. A-N-D, and. Now I'm going to do some more. Coloring in my bubble letters. A, and I want to make my paper look as nice as I can. Do I go out of the line sometimes? Sure I do. Everybody does. But as long as you're trying to do your very best. Remember, no one is perfect at what they do, but what matters is that you are trying your best. That is what always matters. Am I trying my best? And. Look at all those colors I got to use. Now I have to find the word and in here, but as you do it, I want you to see if you can read each word now in these boxes. A lot of these words are words that we've had before. Some of them we might not have had before, but I bet you could figure out what this word is. On. That's not the word and, so I'm not going to color it in, but I like to see if I can figure out what that word is. That's the word on. Here's the word and. What is this letter? T-H-E, the. You got it. I see A-N-D, A-N-D. I see that word and 2 times in a row. So I can kind of look ahead, because a reader uses their eyes and they look ahead a little bit at the next word that's coming. So I can color in both of those boxes. I want you to look through. I'm not going to show you where all of them are. I want you to find them. But I will go through. I'm not going to color them all right now, but I will go through. A-N-D, and what's that word? At. That's right. That's a word family that we've done. At. And. What's that word? See. Fabulous. There's my word and again. This was a word family. It. It's a word by itself too. It. And I have and. Oh, we know this word is. See if you can go through and read all the words in those boxes. And then give yourself, kiss your brain. Think of how smart you are reading all those words. That's a lot of words to read. Then you're going to trace the word. Again, we've done these before on the other days. Starting at the 2 o'clock for the A, the dotted line for the N, 2 o'clock for the D. And you're going to trace and say A, N, D, and. Again, A, N, D, and. Notice they're leaving a space before they do the next word. A, N, D, and. Then you need to write the words A, N, D, and. Leaving a space, 2 o'clock, A, N, 2 o'clock, D, and. Leave a space, A, N, D, and. Nice job. I'm going to be looking at your paper and I want to see coloring nicely. I want to see that you are tracing, starting at the right points with your pencil, leaving a space between your words, and then you're going to cut out the letters that you need here to spell the word A-N-D, and. So I want you to glue these correctly in order. I want to see if you can do it. I can't wait to see the fabulous work that you always do for me.